Opposing the attempt of the state to withdraw security forces from the red zone area, Bishnupur district Meira Paibis organized widespread protests in the district last night. Locals in Meira Paibis of Saiton, Salankonjin and villages surrounding the areas frequently attacked by the Kuki armed group staged a protest demonstration in front of Saiton High School gate. The school is currently housing the G Company of 196 CRPF Battalion Chongtham Anandi. A protester said Saiton, Salankonjin and villages nearby are always under constant threat of being attacked, with the villages situated close to hills. Given the situation, withdrawing security forces could spell disastrous for the people, said Anandi. She appealed to the authority concerned not to withdraw the CRPF company.
Ngasi lairiba central forcing se lokthokpige na haribo wafam se katang nungai jade khoida kaiguna di amwana handaktang moi leirakpasida akoi katang nungai ba isada phawi adui mathakta asi lokthokiba taraga di akoi hanagi phibamda amukamu warakadra haibagi isada nunang ba lejei aduna yaraga di angamba singda haijari asi central forcing se lokthokpidana bagi damakta akoina request khatang tawjari
yamna sauna irang thokpa haugibe epicenter oriba mafam sidagi CRPF 169G company si lokthokani haiba paw amakak tajabadagi aikoi mayam se moi si lokthokragadi akoi life safe oide lokthokiba yaroi haibagi kholau se galoina nani ngasi mayam pun laga leijari bisi
moi ama leiba matamda khitang upai oigadra haibagi nungai ba poi ngai mathaksida election gi mari lainana haiba battalion si lokthokani haiba tabadagi akoi tumpham sabang khangna hingba punchido amu hingakadra haibagi mipain dana battalion si satpi gino haiduna khoi sarkar gi pungning chinjari aduga moi satpi gi ba matamda akoi hena awaba oigani haibase media gi thongda hingsingjari.
Similar protest was also witnessed at Tinungai Maning in Bishnupur, wherein women folk enforced a road blockade preventing the vehicular movement of CRPF personnel who were withdrawing from the area. The Kuki armed group ceased hostility owing to the presence of the central force, said a protester. If the central forces are withdrawn, lives will be at stake, she added.
Koi tha tarama toi sai phadore koina sorok dal tumba chaba khangdana leise masida khara moina ngakpi bagi senbi bagi irang je khara nemdare na koi je khara chaning tana leirakpa matam sida ne bosina muk chatlage habi base adu akhoi yaba ngamjaroi ama poraktri bawbodi akhoi chungtha thaba ngamjaroi.
Locals and Meira Paibis of Tera Khongsangbi are also protested the withdrawal of CRPF personnel stationed at Tera Khongsangbi, Ibudhau, Thangjing, Haraubung. The aggrieved villages have been reeling under constant fear of being attacked. Nevertheless, with the deployment of security forces, they have been breathing a sigh of relief to some extent, said a protester. However, if the security forces are withdrawn completely, the villages would be left to fend for themselves, she added.
Tera Khongsangbi haibalam damasya paidagi sathina lana sogalaba aki akhang kaya nangkraba adugumba mafam amani mafam asidagi CRPF ki force lokthoki ba haibase yamna khudong thiningai oiba maramna ekoina CRPF battalion chatkhiba yaroi makoina chatkani haiba taragadi leinga gasina atopa state ki oirasu natragana center ki oirasu ama thambiraba matamda lokthokpiu haidana ina haijani.